The Aircode COO on an air conditioner's display screen indicates a problem. This issue can arise due to miscommunication between the display and main board, the auto clean mode being enabled, or a damaged display cable. To fix the Aircode COO, start by resetting the air conditioner. Unplug it from its power source for at least 30 seconds. Then plug it back in. If the issue persists, consider contacting the manufacturer's customer care for in-home servicing. Another potential solution is to turn off the auto clean mode, which can be done by locating the auto clean or plasma clean button on the remote control and pressing it. Finally, inspect the display cable for any visible damage caused by rodents or moisture, and replace it if necessary. By trying these solutions, the Aircode COO issue should be resolved.